Afternoon traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So today we're just looking at the Aussie, it's the Aussie USD, as we have the RBA minutes and unemployment data coming out this week. We can see the price is bouncing today. It's a pretty good day so far. We're seeing 0.57% added after we all know what happened last week, that really crashing 2 days of selling, and that did stop though, and we can see where it stopped here at a pretty decent looking level of support, and that runs all the way back over to this period here, which is in November last year, and we'll be continuing to keep an eye on this support level. So we do have the moving average pointing down. There is the RSI is pointing up quite nicely, and it is showing some, a little bit of divergence, but not really true divergence, as it didn't make a lower low. But it has held nicely at support, and it's borderline lower low. But primarily what we really like is the support here. If we do see some rallies this week, it depends, if the minutes do back it up, and then if we do see maybe higher than expected, lower than expected unemployment data, if that really did come into the low side, that could continue to put a little bit of pressure on the RBA. But the minutes tomorrow as well, we'll need to see some of the comments coming out of the RBA if they still do see one more rate rise coming up, or if they will continue to hint more a bit towards the dovish stance, and with rates being okay at the moment. The last comments were sort of hinting towards one more, but regardless of those two pieces of news coming out this week, obviously the dollar will be the leading runner, and we'll just like to know maybe if the dollar has formed a bit of a lower high at this stage. It is trading lower today, and if we will continue to see resistance from that 106.60 area, and if we will see that remain in play up to 106.73, if selling does continue today, will that continue to feed the Aussie, and then will we see a bit of a move up that could try and get back up to test some of the losses that we have seen recently. What we will warn you about though is if we do see today's rally fail and we do see a break below last Friday's low, that is a big worry, and then we'll look for this trend here to continue. A break of that key support as well could set up a decent move that could get back down to test some areas, really further lows in November, but maybe that real key low, which was put in at 62.71, and then below there we start dropping back, potentially back down to that being close to 62 even. So we'll just see if this support can hold. If it does hold, we'll look for a continued fight back from buyers. If it fails, then and the dollar does continue to push higher, well then we'll look to see if the Aussie will break lower, and if we will see a new move back to 62. All right, so that's it for today's update. Thank you very much for your time. We wish you all the best with your trading, and until next update, good trading and bye for now.